Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. When it comes to refreshing summer beverages or creating stunningly chilled desserts, having the perfect ice crusher at your disposal can make all the difference. Whether you're hosting a party, running a restaurant, or simply enjoying a day by the pool, a reliable ice crusher can quickly and efficiently turn ice cubes into fine, fluffy snow. With numerous options available on the market, it can be challenging to find the ideal ice crusher that combines performance, durability, and ease of use. To help you make an informed decision, we have curated a list of the top 5 best ice crushers that are highly recommended by users and experts alike. These ice crushers boast exceptional features, reliable functionality, and impressive customer satisfaction, making them the go-to choices for all your ice crushing needs. Get ready to explore the finest options and take your summer refreshments to the next level. Number 5. BEIJAMEI BJM160F Ice Crusher. First and foremost, the BJM160F is a fully automatic ice crusher, which means I can effortlessly create slushies and crushed ice with just a press of a button. This level of convenience makes it a breeze to use, especially when entertaining guests or simply craving a refreshing treat on a hot summer day. The size of the machine is perfect for my kitchen counter, measuring 33.55752 cm. It doesn't take up much space and blends well with my other appliances. The stainless steel construction not only adds to its durability, but also gives it a sleek and modern appearance. The BJM160F boasts a container volume of 220 kg per day, ensuring a plentiful supply of ice to meet my needs. With an impressive ice production capacity of 160 kg using purified water, I can easily entertain a large number of guests without worrying about running out of ice. Number 4. BEIJAMEI BJM60 Ice Crusher. One of the standout features of this ice crusher is its impressive ice production capacity. With a container volume of 60 kilograms 24-hour, I can easily produce a substantial amount of ice to cater to my needs. Whether I'm hosting a party or simply want to enjoy a refreshing drink, this machine delivers consistent results. The stainless steel construction of the BJM60 not only adds to its durability, but also enhances its overall aesthetic appeal. The sleek and modern design blends seamlessly with my kitchen decor. Additionally, the stainless steel material ensures easy cleaning and maintenance, making it a practical choice for busy households. The electric-powered operation of this ice crusher is a major convenience. With an input power of 360 W, the machine works efficiently to crush ice into fine flakes, perfect for creating slushies or adding crushed ice to beverages. The fully automatic control further simplifies the process, allowing me to achieve the desired ice consistency with just a press of a button. Number 3. XEOLEO QLX100F Ice Crusher. First and foremost, the build quality of the XEOLEO QLX100F is outstanding. Constructed with durable stainless steel material, this ice crusher not only looks sleek, but also ensures long-lasting performance. The sturdy construction gives me confidence that it will withstand regular use without any issues. One of the standout features of this ice crusher is its impressive power. With a robust 1000 W motor, it effortlessly crushes ice into the desired consistency, making it perfect for creating refreshing sundaes. The powerful motor ensures quick and efficient operation, saving me valuable time in the kitchen. Whether I need crushed ice for a party or a cool summer treat, the XEOLEO QLX100F delivers excellent results every time. The quantity of ice this machine can produce is truly remarkable. With a production capacity of 180 kilograms 24-hour, I never have to worry about running out of crushed ice, even during large gatherings. The consistent performance allows me to cater to the needs of my guests without any interruptions. Number 2. HAOYUNMA 190J Ice Crusher. First and foremost, the build quality of the HAOYUNMA 190J is exceptional. The body is made of sturdy stainless steel, which not only gives it a sleek and modern look, but also ensures durability and longevity. The materials used feel premium, and it gives me confidence that this ice crusher will withstand regular use without any issues. In terms of operation, the HAOYUNMA 190J is extremely user-friendly. With its electric-powered mechanism, all you need to do is fill the machine with ice, and it takes care of the rest. The fully automatic control system makes the crushing process effortless, allowing you to quickly produce a large amount of snowflake ice with minimal effort. The power output of 360 W is more than sufficient for crushing ice effectively. Whether you're using it for personal use at home or for commercial purposes, the HAOYUNMA 190J can handle the task with ease. Additionally, the voltage compatibility of both 220V and 110V ensures its usability in different regions. Number 1. BEIJAMEI ZBX BJ160 Ice Crusher. The BEIJAMEI ZBX BJ160 Ice Crusher boasts a sleek and sturdy stainless steel construction that not only adds a touch of elegance to any setting, but also ensures long-lasting durability. The dimensions of 34-57-52 cm make it compact enough to fit on most countertops or tables without taking up excessive space. Its solid build instills confidence in its ability to withstand heavy use, making it suitable for both home and commercial environments. With a powerful 1200 W input power, the ZBX BJ160 Ice Crusher showcases its crushing capabilities by producing a remarkable quantity of ice, up to 160 kilograms in a span of 24 hours. This level of performance is impressive, especially for those planning to use it for events, parties, or busy establishments. The fully automatic control ensures a hassle-free operation, allowing users to achieve consistent results with minimal effort. While the ZBX BJ160 Ice Crusher specializes in creating finely crushed ice for slushies, it can also be used for various other purposes. The machine's exceptional ice crushing abilities open doors to exploring a wide range of icy treats, such as cocktails, smoothies, snow cones, and more. This versatility is a significant advantage, as it caters to different preferences and expands its utility beyond a single function. Thanks for watching this video.